Hello everyone, today we're working on a wire stripper. This is an automatic stripper, weighs around 12 kilograms and it's automatic, so that means it has an electrical motor. We purchased this on eBay for around $216. So for an automatic it wasn't expensive, but the only way you can justify buying something like this is if you have a bunch of wires that you need to strip. This is how they look. It has a good size electrical motor and some kind of transmission househead and a roller and a blade. You could adjust different size wire, and it comes with two different plates with different holes for the guides, and it only comes with one blade. Also comes with the Allen key to do any adjustments that you have to do. This is some specs of the motor. It's 110 squared. This is how much wire we're planning to strip out. It's a lot of wire, different sizes, different. You got single wire, multiple wire, twisted. So here we're just doing the first run. Let's try and see if we get figure out the best adjustment for this. Alright, that wasn't good enough. I need to run it again. And we also need to anchor this machine down somehow. Here you go, you gotta jam it. When happen when it goes to the side. This is the size wire we're working with, which is a pretty good size, and we figured out that it has to be guide on the front and the back to keep it straight, because if you have any curves, it'll try to come out of the blade on the machine. So basically when you're working on this size wire, this is a two-guy operation. As you can see, it worked pretty good. Hopefully we'll keep working smooth like this and get some of this wire done. Just a little close up so you see what we're talking about. Yeah, like I said, you gotta guide them nice and straight going to the machine and coming out too. There we go. This is the best feeling when you're pulling the insulation out and it just comes out good. This one on the next day, this on a smaller size wire. And this machine pulls the wire pretty quick. It's amazing. And on this single wire, it's a little bit different because it wants to come out of the roller real quick, and especially if you got any bent on it. And so I come out with this black wood on the horn on the front with a same size drill bit drilled through it, and pretty much strays the wire as going in. And look, see, it has a little bend. By the time it gets to the lower and to the blade, it's straight. But you gotta help the machine because it has a lot of restriction. This is how much wire we did on 2 days. It was basically not even 10 hours with the work, and we assume it has around 400 pounds. Alright, so this is it. Hope you guys like the video and give you an idea what the machine do, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.